Hello everyone, welcome to the eighth video of our Grind 75 series. Today's question is binary search. So, when we're given an array of nums, integers, which is already sorted, and we must find a target integer. So, if we apply linear search, it's going to take us O of n time complexity. We must write an algorithm with O of log n runtime complexity. So, how do we bring a complexity of O of n to O of log n? Is when we start dividing the arrays into halves and keep searching them in halves. So here we have a target of 9. So we must find if 9 is present in the array or no. And we also know that the array is sorted. So for that we must start finding the middle element. So this is our starting and this is our ending. The length of this array is 6 and its middle element is gonna be 3. So we must point to the third index, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. So 5 is our middle index. Now we must check if our target is lesser than 5 or it's greater than 5. If it is lesser than 5, we cancel the right half of the array and we just search in the left half. And if it is greater than, then we just cancel the first half of the array because our we know that our target is in the second half of the array. So we continue it until we find the target. If we do not find anything, we return -1. So this is a very simple approach. So let's start with finding the length of the array and a starting point, that is the zeroth index, and the ending point, that is n minus 1th index. Now, while start is less than or equal to end, so we must go till we must go till our start doesn't exist. We must go till our start doesn't exceed the end. So yeah, let's find the middle term, that is divided by 2. Now we must check if our middle term is our target. If it is, then we should return mid. Now our first case is to check if the number is greater than or lesser than. If it is greater than, then our start is going to be mid plus 1. If it is lesser than, then our end is going to be mid minus 1. So yeah, simple approach. Our nums of mid is lesser than the target. So if our number is lesser than if our mid is lesser than the target, we must start from mid. So start is equal to mid plus 1. Now the last condition. So it is end is equal to mid minus 1. So if we do not find anything in the loop, then we must return -1. As we are cancelling every half, so the time complexity is going to be O of log n. Thank you.